I'm not here to fill your head with bullshit. Patterns, Fibonacci grids, and indicators. These don't work in the real market. They were created to deceive the ignorant masses and give the illusion of control, but in reality, they only trap weak participants.
Only three groups make money in the financial markets: exchanges, big players, and those who can spot the moves of these big players. Everyone else? Just pawns creating liquidity for the ones who actually control the market. If you're tired of being one of the sheep, it's time to wake up. Subscribe now and learn how smart money actually works. Transparent results, real proofs that the system really works. You can keep chasing fairy tales about magical indicators, fake setups and results, but don't expect to escape the hamster wheel of this market. The choice is yours: stay a sucker or make a real change.